Another brawl in the streets of Verona. Who is it about, and what will the prince do this time? And love is in the air. Or is it? We'll hear from Juliet Capulet and learn who the lucky new suitor is, and also her feelings about it. And breaking news, the Capulets' annual ball is here. Who made the list? If you're watching this, you didn't, but we'll find out who did in a moment. Hello, and welcome to Thy Verona Nightingale.
I'm Genevieve Hawkins.
And I'm Colton Wright. On the scenes, we have Karen Tumacevich and Sean Cheddington.
So, how many times have these brawls broken out?
I think this one makes 3.
Wow, 3 already? Well, I'm not going to tell the whole story. Let's go to reporter Sean Cheddington. Sean, how are things?
Thank you, Genevieve. The action is really heating up down here. My sources say that it is again between the Montagues and the Capulets. For more detail into this story, we will turn to a man who is currently fighting the battle. Sir, may we have a word?
Why, yes, of course we can.
So, how did fighting break out between these two families?
Well, the fighting began when a servant of the Capulet house bit his thumb at a servant of Montague. And then the battle raged on from there, until everybody in the town was fighting, but nobody knew exactly why they were.
So you're saying it started small, but as fighting kept going, it got bigger and bigger?
Yes, that's precisely what I'm saying.
And fighting between these two have occurred before, am I correct?
Yes, this is actually the 3rd battle of its type and purpose. So you see exactly what... Oh! God!
Wait, sir! Sir, I asked you a question. I expect a response. Well, apparently we have an incompetent source. Some people are so rude. Well, anyway, who are you in favor of, Cameraman Jenkins?
Montague, sir.
You bloody traitor! Anyways, back to you at the news desk.
Thank you, Sean. That was most illuminating.
On the other hand, we are now officially hiring for the position of cameraman to fill Jenkins' spot. This is a high-risk job, but we do offer dental insurance.
Wait a minute. This just in. Prince Aeschylus just made an announcement. If the fighting continues any longer, everyone will pay with their lives.
So reserve your graveyard space quickly before you're stuck on the wrong side of the fence. We have a link on our website, thyveronanightingale.com.
We'll be right back after this commercial break.
Have you ever thought of putting a balcony on your second-story window? Well, here at RNJ Balconies, we offer some of the best-looking and strongest balconies today.
I am Lord Capulet. I purchased these balconies, and I couldn't be happier.
We've tested these balconies, and they're plenty strong enough to hold 2 mad lovers, even if one is climbing up the edge of the balcony. To order these, call 1-800-RNJ-BALCONIES.
You'd have to be a Montague not to call.
Now back to the news. We now go to a live satellite feed of Juliet Capulet. Juliet, are you with us?
Yeah, I told you that like 5 minutes ago when you asked me last time. I'm trying to get ready for Daddy's ball.
So we hear there's a new suitor. Who's the lucky man?
Okay, like, OMG. My parents, they found this guy, and they're like, we love him, you should totally, like, marry him. And I'm like, As if. And since I just wanted my mother to shut up, I just said I'll try to like him.
Well, your parents do seem to think very highly of him. What do you think of him?
Well, my parents like...
No, what do you think of him?
Okay, here's the thing. He's hot and all, but I don't really like him like that. He's just kind of just a rich guy, and someone needs to tell him that we're not married yet. LOL.
Well, I guess you probably should be getting ready for your ball. We'll let you go now, Juliet. Thank you.
Like, whatever.
Now over to Colton with some breaking news.
Thanks, Genevieve. The hottest part of the year is going on at the Capulets right now. Let's turn to our reporter, Karen Tumachevich, with the details.
Thank you, Colton. Right here I'm at the beautiful Capulet mansion for the hottest party of the year. The moon is full, the stars are bright, and the stars walking down this carpet are even brighter. Right now we have the host of this extravagant gala, Lord Capulet himself. Tell me, Lord Capulet, how much work goes into such a beautiful party like this?
Miss Tumachevich, please let me remind you what happened last year. Be happy I'm even letting you on the carpet.
Anyways, let's see what other stars we can find tonight. Look, it's Juliet's charming young suitor, Count of Paris. Tell me, are you feeling lucky tonight? I know I am.
Yes, I do believe the night is the night that Juliet finally falls for me.
Oh yes, Juliet. Well, in case things don't go over well tonight, you'll have this and this to remember me by.
I have to go now. Bye.
What's wrong with me? I mean, what am I doing wrong? I mean, this is the 7th guy today. I mean, what am I doing wrong? I mean, I'm trying to go slower. I mean, that's what mother...
Karen, get a hold of yourself. We have maskers coming. Look, look.
Oh, look at these maskers. You know, I always like some variety. I always love a man in a mask.
Hi. We'll take some of this.
Back to you at the news desk.
Well, I'm out of one-liners.
That usually means the news is over.
Well, that's it for the news. Check us out tomorrow night.
I'm Genevieve Hawkins.
And I'm Colton Wright. Goodbye.
And good night.
Hello, and welcome to thy Verona Nightingale.
I don't say anything right there.
Yes, you do. Hello, I'm Genevieve Hawkins.
Then why does
No,
it say
okay.
this? Well, I'm not going to tell the whole story. Let's go to reporter Sean Chennington. Sean, what has happened? I don't know how to say that.
That makes 2 for Jenny. Go ahead.
Here's all right. Oh, you're still recording?
OMG.
More feminine.
LOL.
This just in. Prince Aeschylus just made an announcement. This just in. Prince
Prince Aeschylus.
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 Es-
Aeschylus.
To the
Let it. Mark,
Go
just
to the
stop
naughty
making faces.
Go to the naughty.
It's
going!
Is it going?
Oh my god!
It is not. Yes, it is going.